Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet a master Pokeball, a ultra Pokeball, a premium Pokeball and a Pikachu Pokeball. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. See, here we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch and make a chain crochet. Okay, because of joining first and the last stitch, we get a small tiny bit circle. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. Now we will make don't take this free end of the yarn in your stitches. Okay, now yarn over, insert your needle through that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through and make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so now in similar fashion we need to make 25 double crochet stitches. Okay, yarn over, insert the needle inside that circle, grab the yarn, pull through and make a double crochet stitch. If any of you want to refer a tutorial video for how to make a double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. You can it is also with written instructions, quite slow demonstration is given, so it's very easy to understand. Okay, so just remember, each time passing your needle inside that circle, we will make double crochet stitches. So similarly we have to make 25 double crochet stitches. I'll just complete this. See, this is how it looks after completing 25 double crochet stitches. Okay, now we will join our first and the last stitch with a slip stitch to complete a basic circle. A complete design depends on the circle. Okay, here. So this is a basic circle. Now you remember that free end yarn. Yeah, now we will pull it harder. So like our middle gap is completely packed and we get a solid circle. Following same pattern, we will make 2 pink circles and in that we will make only 15 double crochet stitches. Rest all will be same. Okay, now going back to our violet round. Now we make 3 rounds and pattern for all 3 rounds it is going to be same. We will make 2 single crochet stitch in every 5th stitch and rest all the stitches we are going to make 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, so this pattern it is going to be same. We are going to repeat this in all 3 rounds. Remember, every 5th stitch we will make 2 single crochet stitches and rest all the stitches we will make 1 single crochet in each single stitch. And when we reach the last stitch, we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this. I'll show you. Here I'm done with the first round. Okay, now I'll join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. See, now exactly same pattern I'll be repeating in rest of the 2 rounds. I'll make 2 single crochet stitches in every 5th stitch and rest all the stitches I'll be making 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch. I'll just complete those 2 rounds and I'll show you. And join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. See, here I'm done with all 3 rounds. Now after this we are going to make more 3 rounds. And for those 3 rounds pattern is same. 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch. That's it. For all 3 rounds pattern is 1 single crochet stitch in all 3 stitch. And when we reach last stitch, we'll join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. I'll just complete those 3 rounds also and I'll show you. Just remember, pattern for all 3 rounds it is going to be 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch, and when we reach last stitch we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. See, this is how it looks, a semicircular bowl type. Okay, now following exactly same pattern, we are going to make more 7 semicircular bowls. Okay, and out of which one will be black, one will be red, and rest all will be in white color. See, so it's 5 in white color, one is black and one is red. It's like two white color we need for Premier Ball, one red and one white for Pikachu Pokeball, one violet and one white for Master Pokeball, and one black and white for Ultra Pokeball. Okay, now we will see how to join those two semicircular balls. Now we will join a master ball. First we will insert a needle from one of the stitch in inside thread of every stitch. We will grab the yarn and make a chain crochet stitch. Okay, this is how we will join a black yarn. Now see, we will insert a needle from two parallel stitches only inside thread which is coming inside of that ball. So we will insert a needle in two parallel stitches and grab the yarn, pull through and make a single crochet stitch. See, this is how we join stitches. See, I'm inserting my needle from inside threads of every pair of parallel stitches, and I grab the yarn, pull through, and I make a single crochet stitch. Similarly, I'll be joining all the stitches. Now this purple and white is for violet and white is for master ball. Okay, and those two pink circles we made, those are also for master ball. So first we are working on a master ball. For all the for 3 balls like Ultra Ball and Pikachu Pokeball, we will be joining with black color. Only Premier Ball we will join 2 white semicircle with red color. Okay, and process is going to be same. Just see carefully. I'm inserting my needle from inside threads of parallel stitches, grabbing the yarn, pulling through and making a single crochet stitch. Just remember, before you join it completely, don't forget to fill in fillers and fill lot of fillers. Unless you fill fillers, it is not going to take shape of a ball. See, fill lot of fillers. Here we get our first ball, master ball. Okay, before closing, fill lot of fillers. I have filled all the fillers. Now I'll join rest of the stitches. See, again I'm showing you. So just insert your needle from inside thread of 2 parallel stitches, grab the yarn, pull through from both of them and make a single crochet stitch. Okay, similarly just join all the stitches. There we are done. Now what we will do, we at end we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. That completes see, as we are taking due to in the inside thread, it don't look like a stitch, it looks like a continuous ball or just a black border. See, this is a master ball. Now we will stitch those, see, those pink circles we made, we will stitch it on 2 sides and just make a M, just stitch a M. Okay, this button we will be seeing by end of the video. By end of the video I have placed the process how to make the button. Okay, so this is a master Pokeball. Making M is quite easy, just stitch with the white color. Okay, and see, Premier Pokeball, it is 2 white, we have joined with red color. Okay, Premier is the only one which is joined with red color, rest all are joined with black color, and down part is always white. Now this is Pikachu Pokeball with one red, one white, and as usual we will be joining with the black color. Okay, as I told you, button tutorial I am placing by end of the video. You will get that tutorial. Now we will make that electric sign. To make that electric sign, make 6 chain crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now just leave stitch which is after the loop on the needle, and from next stitch make one slip stitch in first stitch. In second stitch make one single crochet stitch. In third stitch make one half double crochet stitch. Tutorial video for half double crochet stitch is already given in a description. You can refer that video. Okay, and there's 3 stitches. We will make one double crochet stitch in each single stitch. So there will be 3 double crochet stitches, 1 1 1. Okay, now this is the last double crochet stitch. Yeah, now make 4 chain crochet stitches. This is half part of the electric sign. Now make 4 chain crochet stitches and turn your work, and please adjust needle accordingly. Now again just skip the stitch which is next to loop on the needle, and from next stitch we will be following the same. First we make one slip stitch, then in second stitch we make a single crochet stitch, in third stitch we make a half double crochet stitch, and 3 stitches we will make one double crochet stitch in each single stitch. So 3 double crochet stitches, 1 1 1, and done. Our electric sign is ready. I'll just complete this. So this is how our electric sign looks like. Okay, and just stitch this sign on the red part of the Pikachu ball. That's it. See, this is how it looks. Here our crochet Pikachu Pokeball is ready. Our premium ball is ready. Our master ball is ready. Now it's time for our ultra ball. Okay, it is black and white. Now we need 3 yellow strips. Okay, for ultra ball. So make 20 chain crochet stitches. A chain of 20 chain crochet stitches. Okay, then starting from first stitch we will make one half double crochet stitch in each single stitch till end of the row or chain. Till last stitch we will make one half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. So this is how our one strip look like. Exactly same we have to make one more strip with 20 chain crochet stitches and one half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, so one we will stitch this side and one to the opposite side, and one we have to stitch by joining both of them like a H. Okay, so for that smaller one we will take 15 chain crochet stitches. For bigger ones we are taking 20 and smaller one 15. See, and this is how we have to stitch it. So this is for ultra ball. Now we will work on the button, how to make Pokeball button. So make 3 chain crochet stitches, join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, and we get a, like we have in the starting we started our work, exactly same. We get that small circle in between. Now each time passing our needle from that circle, now we will make half double crochet stitches. Earlier we made double crochet stitches, now we will make half double crochet stitches, 10 half double crochet stitches. See, and don't take those that's free and yarn, we have to pull it later. Okay, so yarn over, insert your needle from that circle, grab the yarn, pull through and complete a double crochet stitch. Similarly you have to make 10 half double crochet stitches. Remember, 10 half double crochet stitches each time passing your needle from inside that circle. And when you are done with 10, join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, so that white part of the button is done. and cut the yarn. I'll just complete this. So this is how the white part looks like after completing. Now we will work on, now for only for premier ball we will need a red down circle, rest all we will need black down circle. Okay, now for black circle we will make 6 chain crochet stitches, join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, and we will make 15 half double crochet stitches around that circle, around that chain. Okay, 15 half double crochet stitches, and then join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Just remember, only for premier ball we will make it red, rest all we are making black. See, now just keep that white on the black one and stitch whole thing on every ball. That's the button for every ball. For premier it will be white on red, and we will stitch it on premier ball. See, these how a Pokemon ball looks like. First is the master ball, second is the premier ball, third is the ultra ball, fourth is the Pikachu Pokeball. So those who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you, thanks a lot. And those who have not yet subscribed, I'll request you, please subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. And if you have liked the video, like, comment and share, and please subscribe. I'm coming up with lots and lots of videos. As you can see, they are quite easy to understand. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.